Hi guys, today we're playing Bloxburg in Roblox. So let's go. We're playing Bloxburg in Roblox, so let's play. Okay. Might have to do a little switcheroo just to get to... Ooh, I'm already here. Okay, so waiting for the game. I have a big house. I might even be doing some editing in it, so sorry if I show you guys that. That was stressful. Okay. Play. Randomize. Okay. Cash out. Okay. First of all, I need to get a shower. So get a shower here. Okay, but first, let me just. Oh, I'm starving. First, let me just eat, interact, build mode. Okay, so we're gonna take down the roof. The piano's fine. Just I don't really need it. It's really right. Build a wall. I want to build a wall. Where are the walls? Oh, here we go. Kind of thinking I want this room to be build, decorate, inventory. So my inventory. Okay, I need to like get a pool. Decorate, build, floor, pillars, path, pools. Let's just do this. Inventory. Okay, we're gonna put that number right here. Decorate. Instruments. Ooh, we got some really expensive instruments. Okay, we're gonna decorate. We're gonna build floors. Sorry, guys. Right click, generate, build. Okay, I want to do doors. Where are the doors? Build doors. I don't know anything about Roblox. Doors. I don't know anything about Roblox. I want the secret door. Where was that? Door frame. Secret bookshelf. Whoa, please don't tell me it's one of these down here. I'm not that rich. Just like me. Shoot, where did the bookshelves go? Okay, there's the garage. Maybe my bedroom door will just be that, right? Build walls. Shoot. Oh my goodness. That was so horrible. Okay, let's get rid of that wall. Redo the walls. Walls. What time have we been recording for? 3 minutes. Oh my gosh, I have a lot of time. Okay. I think this is gonna be my bathroom. Maybe over here. Oh, okay. I have the best plans. Okay, so build. Actually, decorate. Storage. Okay, this is gonna be my storage room. I'm gonna put some of that in there. Some of that in there. There's a lot of that. Decorate. Cool items. No, beautiful. Decorate. No, ooh, see the new things that's in here. Oh, I need to build. Decorate. Okay. I need to get garden. Beautiful. Okay. I want a tree right here, and I also want a tree right here. Decorate electronics, lighting, comfort. I need a couch. Ooh, I want this couch. You know how I am, guys. Decorate. Household plumbing. What's plumbing? Oh, I need a shower, of course. Build. Decorate. Plumbing. Modern shower. Elegant sink. Oh, I can't do that. I can cancel. Decorate. Build windows. The windows. Hopefully these aren't. Hopefully these are good. Oh shoot. Okay. You know what, guys? We're gonna do some of these later, so we're actually just gonna delete this. Okay. I'm gonna go take that one shower. Actually, I'm hungry, I think. Okay, then we're gonna go, I'm gonna do this later. Do this later over here, but right now I'm gonna, get the food. Food's money. Don't like that. And then we're gonna read the chat after I take a quick meal. Water. Okay, carrots. We'll take a carrot. Nom, 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 nom. Oh, I'm exhausted. Let's just take that one quick nap. Maybe I can boost mood. Right now, we're just gonna buy this just so I can boost my mood. As you guys can see right here, I have a lot. Yes. Okay. We're all good. Okay. So let's go to the garage. Let's open this. Like my modern garage. We're gonna be using this right here. But first, before we do the actual IE. Oops, I forgot how to drive a couple of Roblox. They're kind of different. Let's read the chat and see what's going on. Okay. Can I be your maid? Okay. I don't remember the first. Ooh, this is like what is this? Did you guys see that just right here? School. Okay, I'm gonna go to school. It's closed. But, who cares, right? Investigate this place. Should I investigate this place? I think I should. Oh my gosh, I'm so bad at Bloxburg. Don't judge me. I haven't played Bloxburg in so long. I think want another series of Bloxburg. Comment down below. Perfect parking spot. Ah! Hopefully these parking lots actually let me park. Well, not those garages, this stuff. Okay. In. Okay, actually, maybe out one more and then we'll go down like that. Okay. What is that? Okay. We're gonna go into the school. No, that block. Okay, no one's really here. Maybe. Let's get in the comments. Anyone at this? Anyone at this school? Anyone at this school? School? Anyone at this school? Ooh, I got in. Okay. Hopefully someone left the door open. Knock knock. Maybe I could see you. Ooh, cafeteria, I think? No. I put upstairs. Who does this belong to? 500, 400 cookies, 450 offices? Whose lot is this? I wanna see. 5. Cool, super gamer. Is school open? It's school open? I don't know why I did not spell that. What is this? Another school? If this is the princess school, it's gonna be oh my gosh. Okay. Hey, they have. What is this? Oh, it's not a school, I don't think. Oh, guys, their house is open. That's very good. Oh, they have like a little living room. Okay. Maybe. Oh my gosh, they have downstairs with a dance floor. Probably be looking at the text just in case that person gets. Okay, when I'm finished, we're gonna actually set my character and we're gonna go explore town. Okay? I have 4 minutes left on this video because it's 15 on the app. There's gonna be a part 2. There's gonna be a part 2, so don't dare worry. Yeah, okay, we're gonna actually respawn the card here. Actually, get in. This thing even lets me. Okay. Let's go explore town. Okay. Let's take a little shortcut. Oh, let's go to the description part 2. Hopefully it's something cool. I think the party's gonna be the last of it. In the next, we'll be doing some videos soon. So, if you guys want to know how to get the screen right here, this right here, like the camera me, comment down below, and I might do a tutorial. So, I'll see you guys later.